So you want to play Geometry Dash. In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do it because you can't play it on every single thing. Unfortunately, it's not available on every platform. But in this video, I'm going to do my best to help clarify what is actually available on and how you can actually play it on what you actually have. Now, it is very important to note that RobTop does not plan to release Geometry Dash on anything that is not an iOS device, an Android device such as the Google Play Store, or on PC, which you can actually play it on PC. Or if you can run Steam on literally anything, then you can play Geometry Dash. But Steam is pretty much the only exception when it comes to running it on devices that are not like mobile phones or mobile devices such as an iPad. So if you were trying to get it on a Nintendo, a PlayStation, an Xbox, or any of those other consoles, there's no plans for it to ever be released on them unless you can get Steam on those, which currently you cannot get Steam on Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo, meaning the only things that you can actually play Geometry Dash on are obviously your mobile devices, mobile phones, iPads, or you can actually get Steam, which you can get on your PC, and then you can get Geometry Dash for about $5, but you just need to get Steam on whatever you're actually trying to use if you're not playing it on a mobile device, and you can actually run the game like so. I hope this was helpful. I'm not trying to spread misinformation, but just trying to give you the best answer possible, and it would mean a lot to me if you actually subscribe down below. And honestly, just have a great day. Peace out. Keep gaming.